time to turn this phone into one of the most secure phones I can feasibly make, not including dumb phones, but like smartphone wise. So this phone is a generation older. It's a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'm going to put Graphene OS on it. So first things first, we're going to unlock the OEM by going into developer mode. To enable developer mode on Android phones, you go into your settings, go down to about phone. From there, you're going to scroll down again to build number and just tap it until it says developer mode unlocked. Well, you are now a developer. Once that's done, we're going to go back here. We're going to go to system. And if we go down a little bit, now we have developer options right there. I did have to connect to the internet to do this OEM unlocking, but now I can unlock it. Enable. Then I immediately turn Wi-Fi back off. Now this next part's going to be a little bit more complicated, not too bad, but I run a version of Linux that isn't supported by this install, but it'll probably still work fine. I also run LibreWolf for my browser, which is a kind of hardened edition of Firefox, too hardened to be able to use the web USB installer for this, so I'm going to end up using Firefox instead. Alright, next up I have this connected directly to the laptop with USB-C. This is a high quality cable as recommended in the instructions. Two quick updates. Number one, I use this GitHub repo to go through some instructions here to get a few things installed, and then I installed ungoogled Chromium. We're using that instead of Firefox because now I can unlock Bootloader. We got into the Bootloader interface by holding the volume down button while restarting the phone. Now when I click on Unlock Bootloader, we have the Pixel 9 Pro XL right there. We're going to connect and then continue with all of these instructions. The bootloader unlocking triggered successfully, so now we're going to obtain factory images. Now that it is fully downloaded, we're going to flash the release. And at this point, it's basically writing, restarting the device, writing, restarting the device, back and forth. And the flashing is complete. Time to relock the bootloader. And every time this responds rather quickly. And then right here, use these menu keys. Right now it says do not lock the bootloader. I'm going to change it to lock the bootloader. Hit that. It'll lock it back up and we'll be ready to boot. And there's our confirmation. It is locked. So then we will just start the phone like normal. And there we go, Graphene OS. And time to set it up, get it back in its case, put a screen protector on, and then switch this phone over to this.